Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is a Ford Mustang dark cars and this is by Hot Wheels. So we did unbox a dark cars back then, which is that it originally came blue with black, that vibrant blue that looked really amazing. So I was a bit curious what they did this time to this casting. Honestly, inside the blister it feels a bit disappointing because it lost some detailing. So let me just open it and see how it actually is. Okay. Okay, so out of the box, the casting looks good. So mine actually has a lot of paint issues here, you can see. So it has the shark fin antenna here and rear view mirrors. So it has headlight detailing here, which is really nice. It has grill detailing here, and the Ford, that phony logo looks really nice. It is embossed. It is not painted. It is embossed, which is really good. So it doesn't have any tail light details, but it is. I mean, they embossed it, but they didn't paint or do anything there. So it does have interior detailing to it, which is really nice actually. So the livery on this looks really good. So this is a full metal body with including the spoiler here that is metal, and the chassis is plastic. The rims looks really nice for this particular casting. So I mean, they could have went with a different pinstriping. I mean, different color of pinstriping here instead of red color. Maybe okay, blue they already did. So I don't know, man. Maybe orange, I guess. Or okay, this is not actually exactly cherry red because this red itself is different from the Miura's red. Or what else we have here? Okay, not even that Spider-Man red. This is something. This red is a bit different. So if they went with kind of dark red, like the cherry red kind of thing, that would have looked so amazing on this one. But this does look really nice. I mean, not going to blame that, but it would have it would have been so much more better if they did that pinstriping in a different color. Okay, with that said, let's weigh this casting. 34 grams. That's really nice. Okay, let's roll this car now. Okay, that is smooth. It does have a little bit of wheel wobble on the rear wheel. Okay, even the front wheel wobbles a lot, but it does roll really smooth and bit fast. So you can neglect that. Okay, let's rate this casting. See, mine is having a little bit of paint issues here, but yours might not. So I'm going to neglect that. So apart from that, see that I mean I do have that on the top here, that on the older dark horse, the blue one. So even Majora did this recently, but unfortunately I don't have that one yet. So far when it comes to Hot Wheels, for this particular casting, I would give 10 out of 10 because I don't see any issues with it. So it rolls really well as well. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.